So basically what's going on here is I laid out a template of the floor and tried as best as I could to get the right contours by using tape. And this fabricated sort of malaise is just to show me where the beams are. So actually on the wood itself, on the Coosa, I'm gonna map out where the beams are, so I know where to put in my my screws. I've gone dead center here. That goes straight down the middle of the entire trailer all the way. I've done quarter panels here, here, and there, so that way the jigsaw puzzle fits together pretty, I'm hoping, seamlessly and intelligently, because we're making use of the center beam. My next job now is to mark out a perimeter over my intended space, to be routed and then notched for the C-channel frame screws. I've also got my plumbing mapped out, my drainage places, and my holes. So I'm going to go basically an inch and a half over, depending. The actual space itself inside the C-channel is like a finger's width. It's like an inch and a half. So let me show you, like this. So if I'm putting my finger in there, you know, we're talking inch and a half, 2 inches. So I'm going to go an inch over.